Hey guys, how are we doing? Welcome back to Lee Slot Cars. Now, today's video is huge. It's an exclusive new product release from Magnetic Racing. This is hot. This is so hot, I'm going to have to handle it with asbestos gloves. It's so hot. I'm having to keep water on the bench in case it spontaneously combusts. It is that hot. Hot off the press, not even in the store yet, but it will be soon. But before we do that, before we have a look at it, I just want to give a massive shout out to my old mate, the Gooner, Mark Saunders, because Mark sent me this. Ford Falcon XB Brute 33 livery. It's a fantastic car. If you remember back, the guys from the group sent me this car, and Mark has sent me a car as well, and it's just amazing. Now I have a pair which they look so good together on the track. They really do look good. Falcon is becoming one of my favourite cars, which quite surprises me because I'm normally a sort of modern-ish GT type of guy, but I absolutely love it. Mark, you're an absolute legend. I know you support Arsenal, but in this case, I'm prepared to let that slide and forgive you, buddy. So thanks a lot, mate. Thanks a lot. And we'll get some laps out of it soon. But this is about a new product that Magnetic Racing will be releasing shortly. So that's been sent to me to have a look at first and give my thoughts. And this might not be the final version that I've got, so it might get tweaked a bit, who knows. But let's check through those risk assessments to make sure I'm handling this hot product properly, and we'll have a look to see what it is. And here it is. This is the prototype. So this is the actual prototype of the product. It's where I'm now. It is my shed. It's Lee's Slot Car Shed, and it's just absolutely brilliant. I'm blown away by this. You get the felt for the roof. Roof comes off, and there's even, look, a mini track inside. And yeah, it's not for everyone. I talked about the Football Reference, the Tottenham thing. It's got White Hart Lane there on the back there. It's absolutely fantastic little kit. I'm absolutely chuffed to bits. And also, what you will get, I don't know how close I can bring it, is a little Lee. There's a mini Lee in my shorts and in my sliders, which is, I'm always dressed, shorts, t-shirts, in all weather, and a little pair of flip-flops there. So it comes with a little mini me. Now, I've got the kit here. Like I say, this is just a version that Ian put together as a demo. So I'm going to have a look at this. I'm going to build it, and we'll see how I get on. But it's just, oh God, I'm so proud of this. So proud, and I hope you like it. I hope there are going to be Lee Slot sheds all over the world after this. The global domination of the shed. But look out for Magnetic Racing, because they'll be doing a release video soon. But I did get special permission to do this as part of the launch. So let's get this open. We'll have a look at it, and because I haven't even seen inside, I don't know how many parts there are. So we're going to open it up and take a look. I mean, obviously it's a shed, so there's not going to be thousands of parts, but you can really see that there's quite a lot to this. It's not just a simple basic little kit. There's quite a few parts to it, so I'll make sure I haven't got anything wrapped up in cellophane. I haven't. So these are parts of, you got the White Hart Lane. I expect you all to have the White Hart Lane in there. The door hinges and the track. And these are two, don't know what, these will be the roof pieces, I imagine, these two here. And then if you look on this here, we've got, this is fantastic because it's all cut out. You've got the felt roof and then the sort of bit that goes on the top, you know, like on the actual, is it the apex? Yeah, the bit that goes on there. So this is all pre-cut that will stick onto the side roof panels. So then we have, I don't know if these pieces are used, so I'll be careful not to lose them. So we've got, it's double skinned, so you've got the basic kit that you put together, and then you have the cladding on the outside. So it's really solid and robust. I mean, if we look at the demo, I mean, the back bit hasn't been put on the demo, but there is a back section there. So you've got the slatted, not the back's the side, isn't it? Slatted area on the side. And then these will be the roof trusses, cladding the door. You can have the door open or closed. And that, I assume, will be the base. So, okay, it looks relatively straightforward. There are three of these pieces here, and they've just slipped out of the pack, so there we've got those there. Now, obviously, because this is a demo product, there aren't any instructions, so I'm just going to sort of have to film my way through this. So first thing I'm going to do is get all the parts taken off, and then I'll have a good idea of what goes where. But before I do, stay tuned, because I will be giving you an exclusive voucher code to get 10% off any magnetic racing product until August. So keep watching. Okay, so I've painted the base black because my shed floor is black. And then obviously I've got the aluminium foil insulation, so I've just popped some, or glued some aluminium foil onto some of the interior. Well, it'll keep it as authentic as possible. So I'm now gonna, I've got to wait for this to dry, and then I'm going to fit these side and back portions on. So we got the framework done, and then the roof looks a little bit complicated and I've got no instructions, so I need to have a look at that. So now I'm going to put a coat of green paint on what will be the baseboard for the track, like that, and then we'll paint the actual track section black and get that put in place. It's really warm, it dries so quickly. I'm not going to film me painting everything, it gets a bit boring. But we'll just go through this section here, slap it all on, splash it all over, as they say. Okay, just let that dry off, and then I will paint this section here. I'll paint the track, wait for it to dry, get that stuck on, and then we can pop that in the shed. Okay, so that's the base and the track painted. Just going to put a couple of dabs of glue on, not too much. That will do. We'll get this nicely in position, and it's already marked, so it's pretty straightforward to get it in the right place. As always, attention to detail on these kits is second to none. Okay, I'll wait for that to dry, and then we'll get that put inside, stuck in place, and then I'll do the cladding of the shed. Then we'll have a look at the roof. Right, I've stuck the White Hart Lane sign inside. You have to put that on, it's non-negotiable. I've stuck the glass into the shed windows. I haven't glued it, I've taped it, because I haven't had great experience with gluing plastic, and it does, or it can tend to send it frosty. So I'm now going to go, I've taken all these side pieces off, sanded them all down, so I'm now going to go and fit those on, and then the base will be, well, almost finished. Now, I haven't forgotten about the promotion code, but I need to check on my phone to make sure I've got the right code, because otherwise that would be a bit silly, wouldn't it? So I'm going to get these stuck on, check what the 10% voucher code is, and then I'll relay that to you then. Okay, that's all the cladding put on, so it's coming together. Just really got all the roof to do. I've given it a coat of, well, it's this stuff, creosote. It's a bit like creosote, but it's not creosote, but it smells like creosote, and that's what I've got on the outside of my shed. So yeah, I'm using it for this. Okay, now for that promotion code. So any magnetic racing purchase through their website, magneticracing.com, if you put in the promotion code LeeShed10, and I'll pop it up on the screen and repeat it at the end, LeeShed10, then that will give you 10% off any purchase up to the end of August. So absolutely fantastic opportunity to get onto the website and grab yourself a bargain. So anyway, let's crack on with the roof. So for the roof, you've got these structures here. Now you've got some with the notches cut out. These go on to these strips. There's two without notches, so keep them to one side for the time being. If I go to the prototype one, we're literally fitting them all along here, and then the ones without notches get stuck on the end. So I'm just going to go ahead now and glue these in place. I think they'll need gluing. Yeah, they will need gluing. So it's going to take a bit of a while, and it's going to be a bit fiddly, so I'm not going to film it. But when I come back, I'll have this section builted with the roof and the roof trusses. Okay, that was quite fiddly to do, but done it I have, and it fits into the little slots, so it fits in nicely, nice tight fit. So the next section is to glue the roofing sheets on, and then cover it with the felt. Got to pop the door on, some tiny little hinges there, got 3 of those to put on, and we're nearly finished. So let's get this glued on. Okay, that's the roof put on. So I just need to cut these pieces out, and I'll probably use PVA to glue it, I think. Just brush the PVA in. I won't film doing both sides. Make sure you get right up to the edge. And then we'll take the first piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and, go ahead and stick the other piece on. The final part is to fit this strip across the top, so I think I am going to super glue this, but not a lot, just a little bit of super glue in there. Because I'm not sure how good PVA will stick. Oop. Like that. There we have the completed shed, the good old trusty slot shed. It's a brilliant, brilliant little kit. I love it. And the little Lee, or the little me, is there. I haven't got around to painting the glasses on it yet because it's so fiddly and so tiny, but I will have a go when my hands aren't quite so shaky as they are. But yeah, really pleased with that. So I don't think this is currently available in the shop because this is such an exclusive. It hasn't even gone into the shop yet. I think it's going to be product 189. I can't be sure, but when I get the word from Ian and Doug, I will put a link to this in the description. And don't forget the 10% discount code. Grab yourself a bargain. Lee Shed 10, all lowercase. Lee Shed 10. What a brilliant kit this is. I feel quite humble and proud at the same time to have my little shed, my little 6x12 sanctuary as a magnetic racing product. How cool is that? Well, thanks for watching, guys. From me and little me, really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and thanks once again to Ian and Doug, not forgetting Tim. Poor old Tim always gets forgotten, doesn't he, from Magnetic Racing, for doing this. And I've got the prototype, I've got the kit that I built. It will be going on the new layout, which will be coming up next couple of weeks. I hope to start it towards the end of August, maybe the first week of September, but more on that to follow. I hope you all like this kit, and I hope a lot of you buy it. And if you do, I'd like you to send me a picture of it on your layout. What I'm thinking of doing is maybe to have a world map with pins where all the Lee slot sheds are. World domination of Lee slot shed. It'd be quite good, quite fun to do. So if you do buy this kit and you build it, take a photo, email it to me, slotcars17@gmail.com. I'll put the email in the description, and yeah, we'll try and get a little bit of a board up with a map to see where they are. You might just have one that's in Devon and that's it. I hope not, for their sake, for Ian and Doug's sake. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to stop waffling. I'm going on, and I'm going to have a play with some cars now. So until the next video, you all take care, my friends. Bye bye now.